Welcome to Blogonomics, when blogging makes dollars and cents. In this session, we'll start to show you how to create and post your blog and give you an idea of when it makes sense to have a blog. First of all, I'll go to the internet and go to gmail.com. The first requirement is to establish a Google account. So you can go to gmail.com, which I've already established a test account. This test email account I created, tamw90@gmail.com. And let me show you how you could create a free Google account. You click on sign up for Gmail at gmail.com. So you'll click here. This will take you to create an account screen. So this is where you'll actually create your own Gmail account. You just follow the information that is needed, your name, first name, last name, and here's where you would actually type in. I entered tamw90 at, actually tamw90, you don't need the @ sign, it's already included here, at gmail.com. And you can just check the availability, and then also you want to enter in your password, security question, any secondary email, and it's important that you enter these letters in exactly as it's shown. This verifies that you actually are a true person that's actually coming to this site, and then also read the terms of service. And then you just click create my account, and then your account is created instantly. I'm not going to create another account since I've already done that. So let's go back to sign in here. Once you created the account, you would actually sign in with your actual full email account. And you would enter that password. And you'll see that it works instantly right after that. And click on sign in. And then once you click on sign in, you'll come to this screen, and then you'll click on show me my account. And now it's actually loading the email account. So here, now you can start accepting emails. So you can actually give this email out to people, and you can actually start receiving email. So that's the first requirement to actually using one of Google's blogging tools. You have to have a Google account established first. So now that we've done that, let's move on to using the blogging tool that Google has set up. What I can use here is I'll go to blogger.com. This is where you actually would go to create your blog. It's pretty simple. You click on create a blog, and then here is what it asks you to create your Google account, and it assumes that you already have an email account or email address that exists for Google. So in our case we do. So I'll enter that here, and you actually have to retype it. And then next, you'll want to enter in your password. Make sure you enter that in properly. And then display name. What's the name that you want to give to this blog? Let's pretend that we're going to create a blog for a teacher. This is going to be a teacher's blog, so her classroom. So we'll say Mrs. Brown's classroom. And then we'll use the word verification here. We actually need to type this in the way that it's showing. So if you get any letter wrong, it's going to not allow you to continue. So it's important to get that correct. Click accept, and then hit continue. Now you're moving on to the next page, so that's a good sign. Next, you want to give the title of your blog. We'll make it Mrs. Brown's Classroom Notes. And then here's your actual URL or web address that you want to establish, that you can actually hand out to your parents or to students to get their latest updates on your blog. And this is a very good use of a blog for a teacher. Some other uses are also for business. A business may want you to blog for them, write a post about some new products that they have. And then it's also great for college students that want to stay in touch with family and friends, to be able to post their picture and put updates as to what's going on, to stay in communication. So it's a great communication tool. And it also helps to sharpen your writing skills, because the more you write, the better you get. So here, let's say Brown Class. So now the URL is going to say brownclass.blogspot.com. Here's the word verification. Need to do that again. Make sure we have that right, and then click continue. There's a problem here. Notice this. You want to check the availability of your blog. Sorry, this blog address is not available. So we have to actually add something else to this to make it unique. Let's say Brown's Class Notes. Let's see if that's available. Alright, so that is available. So now we should be able to move on. So now we're at the last part here, as far as setup, choosing a template. What do we want this blog to look like? There are already templates pre-set up for you. That's what makes it so easy. Let's choose this one. I like the green color, Sonomoto. So we'll click continue. Now we've successfully created our blog, and now we're ready to start blogging. Click start blogging. So now you're at the interface here. It looks like a word processor, and it's just that easy. Just fill in the information that it asks you for, a title. So this is Miss Brown's Class Notes. So that'll be the title of your blog. And here we want to just type whatever we want. Hello class. Welcome to day 1 of our class blog. How about that? And then if we want to add a picture to really personalize it, here's the image section here. You can have a digital picture, JPEG saved. I already have one saved out here in my C drive. So JPEGs are easily inserted into this section here. So we can go and grab that. Send my download. And this is just a picture of a teacher, and here you can change the layout. Do you want it on the left, center, or the right, and the size of that image. We'll leave it the way it is on the left and leave it medium. So now we can press upload. And here we go. There's a picture of the image, just a teacher presenting to her class. So now we can go back over here to compose. Notice these two tabs. The one I was in was the HTML, which really shows you all the HTML code behind that page. And here compose is actually where you can just do all the typing and actually see the picture that you inserted. So here's the picture on the left and our information. So just that easy. And you can also preview this before you post. Notice some other things that you have here. You can actually edit your posts, you can make comments, you can go into the settings and change some of the layout, and here's where you would view your blog. So you have a lot at your disposal. Some other neat features here.